राष्ट्रपति चुनाव में बीजेपी ने रामनाथ कोविंद को अपना उम्मीदवार घोषित किया है, जिसका सभी विपक्षी पार्टियों ने विरोध किया। इसी कड़ी में असदुद्दीन ओवैसी भी जुड़ गए हैं। इन्होंने साल 2010 में रामनाथ कोविंद के उस बयान को लेकर उन्हें निशाना बनाया, जिसमें उन्होंने मुसलमान और ईसाइयों को एलियन कहा था।
Contestant for the president post of our country, and it's a constitutional post. And if a person aspiring to become the President of India holds this view that minorities, which includes Muslims and Christians, are alien to this nation, then what kind of confidence is this candidate or his party is creating in the Constitution? Also, what kind of message is being sent to the Muslims and Christians? So this in itself clearly shows that what we have been saying, that BJP wants to convert this great nation of ours into Hindu Rashtra. And that is why I had used his quotation which he had made, which is on record.
Sir, immediately BJP hit out at you saying Owaisi is doing what he's always been doing, communal politics.
No, they can.
Why is he bringing religion into it is what they
are. BJP should say first whether the report wherein Mr. Kovind had said this or not. Didn't he say that Muslims and Christians are alien to this nation? What right has anyone got to call Muslims and Christians who are first citizens of this country as alien to this nation? Because when a person says this, he is repeating the ideology of Savarkar, Golwalkar and RSS. So this is nothing new, but has he said this or not? That is what the BJP should say.
So you also spoke about the DYSP who was lynched in Kashmir and the situation in Kashmir. Could you elaborate a little more, sir?
I have condemned the lynching of DYSP, Mr. Ayub, and that too on a holy night, and that too near the Jama Masjid of Srinagar. Who are these people? People who have lynched Ayub and people who are lynching Muslims in the name of Gauraksha, I find them no difference. These group of people cannot be called as human beings, because you are taking a life of a human being and you have no right whatsoever. So people who are lynching in the name of cow and people who have lynched the DYSP in Srinagar, they have no difference whatsoever. They need to be condemned. And the most important point is that the party in power in J&K is BJP and PDP. It clearly shows their misgovernance. They are clueless on what's happening on ground. They have no vision. All tall promises were made. All assurances were made that nothing has happened. That is also a point which the whole nation must look into.
So on rumors of eating beef, one man was lynched inside a train and 3 others were beaten and stabbed.
It is very unfortunate that a young 17-year-old who had just memorized his Quran, which we call who was a Hafiz of Quran, and who was returning back to his village after buying new clothes to wear on the occasion of Eid and also on the occasion of on the completion of memorizing the Quran. This clearly shows that the hate atmosphere which is being created, which I call Islamophobia. And I would earnestly request people who are spreading this Islamophobia that they are also responsible for all these incidents, which is culminating in lynching and murder of Muslims, either in the name of cow, or in the name of the religion, or in the name of their beard. And what we have seen is that a young boy has lost his life.
So Union Minister says that Hindi Rashtra Bhasha hai, and he says Hindi ke bina aage badhna bahut mushkil hai. What do you have to say about this?
Well, Telangana, Andhra, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Goa, there are many states who have progressed, wherein we have regional languages, whether it's West Bengal or Odisha. And please remember that this is again a reiteration of the ideology of RSS. Hindutva, that is, and Hindi, that is what they are trying to promote. And where in the constitution such thing is written? The honorable minister could have said that for my progress in BJP,